energy and power. These terms are often used interchangeably in everyday language, but in physics they have distinct meanings and important differences. I have discussed both of these topics in separate videos, but for now we are going to look at the key differences between them. Let's start with energy. Energy is the ability to do work. It comes in various forms such as potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy. Each type of energy has its own specific formula. For example, the formula for kinetic energy is 1/2 of the mass times the square of the velocity. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Any object that is moving has kinetic energy. The faster it moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Potential energy, on the other hand, is the energy stored in an object due to its position or configuration. Potential energy equals the mass times the acceleration due to gravity times the height. The SI unit of energy is the joule. 1 joule is the amount of energy transferred when a force of 1 Newton moves an object 1 meter. Now, let's talk about power. Power is the rate at which energy is transferred or converted. In other words, it measures how quickly work is done. Power equals the work done divided by the time taken. The SI unit of power is the watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. So while energy measures the total amount of work done or the capacity to do work, power measures how fast that work is done. Let's compare energy and power with an example. Imagine you're lifting a box onto a shelf. The energy required to lift the box depends on its mass and the height of the shelf. This energy is given by the potential energy. Now, if you lift the box slowly or quickly, the energy needed is the same, but the power used is different. Power measures how fast you lift the box. If you lift it quickly, you use more power. If you lift it slowly, you use less power. The formula for power in this context is energy consumed divided by time taken. It's important to remember that energy and power, though related, are not the same. Energy is the total work done, while power is how fast that work is done.